How you going? Welcome back to Joe's Gully. Well, I got a treat for you today. I'm going to cook up some tuna. I'm going to do it Sicilian style. So grab yourself a sherbet and we'll get cracking. Salute. Okay, yesterday I took off with a couple of mates about an hour off the west coast, a little island out there, secret island out there by the way, and we got ourselves some good fish. Have a look at that. It had a fucking heartbeat yesterday, and we're going to cook it up for you today. So how was that? We slashed it. We got the fish. What a day, mate. We even did a bit of a tour along the coast when we got home. That was fantastic. Now, look at this. Look at this lineup of beautiful ingredients. We got oil, good olive oil, cherry tomatoes, we got some dry oregano, garlic, chili, we got pitted black olives, we got basil, we got parsley, capers, and of course our hero, the tuna. But you can use any thick meated fish, snapper, or I suppose snapper's out of season, but you can eat it if you don't get caught. So let's start with some good olive oil. Add the finely chopped garlic. Make sure you don't burn the garlic. Now add in about 6 or 8 chopped cherry tomatoes, depending on the size, you know. and cook them for another minute or two. Add your parsley and your basil, chopped up finely, and give it all a good mix in. You can gush your tomatoes. I use one of those, potato mashers. Then a big handful of black pitted olives. Follow up with the capers now. About a tablespoon and a half, I reckon. Cook for a couple of minutes, then add the oregano. Time to stir in the chilies. And bring on our hero, the tuna. Lay it all out and then scoop some of the juice mix up on the top of it and then cover it up. You can open it up occasionally and put a little bit of that sauce on the top. After about 4 minutes, flip it and then cook it for another couple of minutes. And that's it. I sneak in a dash of salt right at the end, I love it. Rightio, it's a taste test time now. We're on the vinegar stroke, I love it. Now you can use any sort of fish, but if you can get your hands on a nice piece of tuna, do it. I'm just going to put some of this on the top. You can't believe I wish you could smell it, mate. If I can tell you, unbelievable. Anyway, look at this. It's cooked beautifully all the way through. You don't have to cook it all the way through, but I like it all the way through. It's all like, now it's that, my friends, good on the Sicilians. That's how you cook fish. This tastes good, mate. Mate, oh, fuck, it's so good. It is great. Well, there you are. There you have it. It was so simple. I told you it was going to be. We had beautiful, fresh South Australian fish, tuna to boot. You enjoy. Tell your friends about it. Subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Love you all.